Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought, you know what, let's go ahead. I want to show you another wilderness room that we have stayed in. It is the 2-bedroom villas. So you can see on the website, you just have to navigate down to the villas specifically. And the one that we stayed in was the 2-bedroom vacation villa. Now, what we loved about this is that it was right by the wave pool. And I'll show you pictures. When I show it to you, you're going to go, oh my gosh, you are right practically in the wave pool. So basically you go in, you can choose your nights. For the most part, we were actually able to find a 1 night with this, but some of the rooms that they offer, they do require a 2-night stay, so be sure to look at that. And if it's a last minute thing, go on their website and look at the villas. When we did this, we were actually able to get it for less than what we would have paid for 1 night in a single room. And look at all the space we had. It was amazing. One of the things that we really like about it is that there's a full kitchen, so we could order food, pick it up at Walmart, and then we could cook. And the coolest thing about this place, besides all the space, is how close we were to the water parks. We could literally walk right outside, or on our phone, we could call and get one of the shuttles that would pick us up right outside and take us to any of the 4 water parks. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here's some pictures that I took. You actually got to drive underneath the tunnels. Like, that was so cool. Like, the tube ride, like, that's so cool. You got to drive, like, right underneath and through it. This was our villa. You did need to have a key to get in and a key to make the electricity and the heat work. And right where I'm standing, if I turned around, the wave pool was right there. So walk in, huge kitchen, full-size fridge, full-size stove, full dishwasher, which was amazing. And we were able to make full meals there, which the kids really enjoyed. We were able to cook the things they like. From the view of the kitchen, you can see there's a full dining room table and then a living room with a fireplace. Off to the left, there was a staircase to go upstairs. And this is from the main bedroom upstairs. Beautiful view. You could see the people ziplining. Or you could see the canyon rooms, the condos, right across the way as well. The main room itself was absolutely beautiful. Large bed, fireplace, TV, place to put all of your items. Really sunny, lots of windows, which I really like. You can see it was spring. And I apologize, my voice is going. So you can see that there wasn't a ton of foliage out, but super beautiful. Then there is a second bedroom, which is right up front, and it actually faces the wave pool. So when you look out the main window, that's what you see. Like, it is the wave pool, which was really cool because in the morning the kids were like, oh, we want to go. And then we could see that if there were a lot of people or not a lot of people in there. Super easy. You could walk literally right around to the right side and enter in there. Or you could call for a shuttle and they would take you right up to the front. So really easy. We really enjoyed it. This is how pretty it looked from the back. You can see there was a fence along the back because the canyon tours are right down there. Again, from the back view, so beautiful. And again, what I loved was really the amount of space. So this is, you know, kind of equivalent. You can see where we were. There's some geese. Really beautiful. Now, ours, the 107, was actually closer to these slides and the wave pool area. But again, super beautiful, really nice. I would highly encourage you to take a look at it. We have stayed at the Wilderness now way too many times. It's one of our favorites. For 2023-24, we've decided we're going to start venturing off property here and go and check out more of the Dells. Not that I haven't stayed at other places, but we've just kind of gotten very comfortable at the Wilderness. But I will say, one of the things that I do love about the Wilderness is that everything is included and they don't let outside guests in. So you can't buy a ticket to come and use their water park. You have to be staying there to use their water park, which I really like. I think that that is such a big plus. So if capacity is not hit, nobody else is coming in and the parks are quiet, which we've encountered many times. I'll put a link down below so you can take a look. But we've loved them. We have stayed in almost every style of room. There's only one we haven't yet, which is the really big townhouse. So that's kind of on our bucket list. But again, thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Please visit my website. And then I would really love for you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of Dells, Disney, DIY, crafting, and obviously Jessica Lynn Original is a stamp company. So be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.